Assalamualaikum guys, how are you? In this video I'm gonna show you that how can you upgrade your old Android to the latest Android. You can upgrade your old Android, which is Android 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to the newest Android, which is Android 10 till now. But this trick can be used to upgrade to the upcoming Androids, which are Android 11 or 12. You just need to follow these steps, and you need to have the custom ROM of that Android which you want to install in your mobile. So your Android will be upgraded to that Android. I'll upgrade my Android 7 of HTC One M9 to the latest Android up till now, which is Android 10. I'll do it by installing the custom ROM of Lineage OS. So first of all, there are 3 steps for installing custom ROM and upgrading your Android. The first one is unlocking the bootloader. Second one is installing TWRP and flashing it. And the third one is installing a custom ROM to upgrade your Android. The first and second steps are available in my one of the previous videos, which is to install TWRP, unlock bootloader and root your Android. I am giving the link to that video in the description. Just go to that video and watch before watching this video so that you can get a whole guide to upgrade your Android. I assume you have done the first 2 steps. I am going to the third step because I have already made a video for first and second step. So I have completed the step 1 and step 2. I am going to the third step directly. For the third step, just make your mobile go to the bootloader menu, and for that you will need to turn off your mobile. So turn off your mobile. Once it is turned off, press volume down button and power button at a time for at least 10 seconds, and your mobile will go to the bootloader menu. So you see the mobile has gone to the bootloader menu. Now scroll down by volume down button to the bootloader. You can select the bootloader by pressing the power button. Now scroll down to the recovery mode and select the recovery mode. And here you will be directed to the TWRP installation menu. Here click on the install button and select storage. I have downloaded the custom ROM for Android 10 in microSD, so I will select microSD card. I have given the link of Lineage OS custom ROM for the Android 10 in the description, so kindly follow that link to download, and then after downloading keep it in your memory card and select it. It's 17.1. I have renamed it to 17.1. Now swap it to here. Here you will see that the custom ROM is being installed in our mobile. Try to charge battery greater than 80%. It is about to be installed in around 2 seconds only, because most of it has been installed. Only the last steps are being done. We see the installation of custom ROM has been completed. Now go back. And another thing that we need to install is Google apps and that might be G apps. I'll also give the link to G apps in the description, so download G apps too, because we need Google apps which are Google Play Store, Google Chrome, YouTube in our mobile, so we need to download G apps. I select G apps 10. It is for Android 10. So I installed only the proper apps that are required for running a mobile smoothly. A very less or a very high G apps might slow your mobile. Go back and now click the reboot and power off your mobile. Turn it on now. Our mobile is being started now. It will take a few minutes because it's the first time startup for our mobile. Here we see that GApps and everything is properly done, and our mobile is ready. Now I'll show you that the Android version is Android 10, and you can search on the Google that HTC One M9 contains Android 6 to Android 7. After upgrading it is Android 7, but before upgrading it is Android 6, but now after installing the custom ROM it has been upgraded to Android 10. You can see here, Android 10. Here you see that it is Android 10 and the custom ROM has been installed successfully and our mobile Android has been upgraded to Android 10. You can also upgrade to Android 11 if its custom ROM is available in somewhere in the future. If my video was helpful for you, kindly subscribe my channel, like and share video with your friends. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.